so the predictable fleet expansion blueprint. So we're going to onboard 5+ high retention CDL drivers in 30 days, guaranteed, transforming driver acquisition from chaotic to controlled for trucking companies. Now, the cost of inaction is actually too high. So the trucking companies today are battling an unprecedented driver shortage. But the problem runs deeper than just scarcity. It's a systemic breakdown in how drivers are found, engaged, and retained. So first thing is untapped leads, right? There's thousands of valuable CDL driver leads that are generated, yet a significant portion remains uncontacted, slip through the cracks, and directly into competitors' hands. Recruiter revolving doors, so the constant cycle of hiring, training, and losing recruiters is a drain on time, resources, and morale, creating instability. And then also slow onboarding. So qualified drivers abandon your process for competitors simply because your onboarding is too slow, clunky, or unresponsive. Now the hidden costs destroying the business. So there's manual overload and communication chaos. Your team is bogged down by repetitive manual tasks, answering the same questions and managing clunky systems, leading to frustrated applicants and missed opportunities. Generic tech and industry ignorance. So the current CRM or ATS solutions are often ill-suited for the unique demands of trucking, and outsourced VAs lack industry-specific knowledge. Owner engagement in the weeds, right? So as an owner, your strategic focus is diluted by the day-to-day grind of recruitment, preventing you from driving high-level growth initiatives, which results in a stagnant fleet growth, lost revenue from underutilized assets, and a constant state of operational stress. So why act now? The market demands speed. The window of opportunity to secure top-tier CDL talent shrinks daily. Competitors are innovating, and drivers have more choices than ever, which delaying action means increased competitive pressure. The longer you wait, the harder and more expensive it becomes to attract and retain quality drivers. Compounding losses. Every day without a full fleet means lost revenue, missed contracts, and a diminished market position. Erosion of trust. Slow, inefficient hiring process damages your reputation among the driving community, making future recruitment even more challenging. Now is the time to act decisively. Our solution offers immediate relief and a sustainable path to predictable fleet expansion, turning a critical vulnerability into a strategic advantage. So why choose us? Your guaranteed path to growth, right? We don't just promise drivers, we guarantee them. Our proprietary AI-powered done-for-you system is purpose-built for the trucking industry, eliminating your deepest recruitment pain points. Strategic growth partners. We're not just a service provider, we are your strategic growth partners who understands the nuances of trucking. Our model aligns our success directly with yours, remove the burden, reduce the risk, and deliver the results. Then we also have an AI-powered system, the purpose-built technology that delivers qualified, high-retention drivers directly to your fleet. So your complete AI-powered driver acquisition machine, our done-for-you solution, is a complete overhaul of your driver acquisition process, meticulously designed to address every pain point and deliver consistent results. Number one is the AI-powered lead nurturer. This is a 24/7 AI chatbot that provides instant responses, automated qualification, and personalized drip campaigns to keep leads engaged. We have recruiter empowerment, so standardized training modules, performance tracking dashboards, and comprehensive knowledge bases for consistent results. We have accelerated onboarding, which is digital applications, automated background checks, and streamlined scheduling to reduce time to hire dramatically. And then industry-specific technology, customizable CRM and ATS tailored to trucking needs with API integrations and AI-driven insights. So your 30-day path to fleet expansion, our process is designed for rapid deployment and measurable results within 1 month. So we're going to do a discovery and strategy session, which is day 1 through 3. Objective is to understand your exact driver needs, fleet goals, and current recruitment challenges. We'll come with a tailored strategy documenting, outlining target metrics and system configurations, and then system activation and integration is day 4 through 7. So we configure our AI-powered platform to your specific requirements. Your personalized driver acquisition machine is live and ready to engage. So lead engagement sprint, 8 to 20. We actively engage and qualify existing and new CDL driver leads using AI workflows. The outcome is a robust pipeline of pre-qualified, interested drivers. And then step 4 is we accelerate the onboarding. So guide pre-qualified drivers through streamlined onboarding to successful placement. Outcome is 5 pre-vetted high retention CDL drivers onboarded and ready So how do we measure the success? KPIs matter, right? Our success directly tied to your measurable outcomes. We focus on KPIs that directly impact your bottom line. So driver acquisition rate, pre-vetted, high retention, CDL drivers, owner-operators onboarded within 30 days. Driver retention rate, minimum 30-day active service for onboarded drivers. And time to onboard reduction by 50%, significant decrease in average time from initial lead contact to driver readiness. Some additional success metrics is lead conversion rate, significant increase in conversion of raw leads to qualified applicants, owner engagement reduction, virtually no time spent on day-to-day hiring tasks, and then cost savings, reduction in recruiting or recruiter training costs and lost revenue from idle trucks. So you're unbeatable. Guaranteed 5 drivers in 30 days guarantees. We guarantee to onboard 5 pre-vetted high retention owner operators and CDL drivers for your fleet within 30 days. Our proprietary AI powered done for you system eliminates the immense burden of traditional hiring, no risks. If we don't deliver the 5 drivers within 30 days, you pay nothing for the shortfall and continue support. We continue working until the target is met, ensuring your success and predictable growth. We scale your fleet predictably and profitably with our proven system. We're ready to transform your driver acquisition from chaotic to controlled. Get started today.